Good morning. I am 4 minutes early. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Joey. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will be working on balancing the throat chakra. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Gently scanning your body. Notice what's going on for you physically, mentally, emotionally. How are you today? Root down into the earth, feel its support, lengthen your spine, reaching the crown into the sky. Let your breath be nice and easy. Don't try to control it. Simply observe how it flows in and out, and how your body responds to each inhale and each exhale. Now connect with your throat chakra. You may imagine a sphere of blue light emanating energy from within you and into the world, further and further out, as far as you can feel. The Sanskrit name of this chakra, Vishuddha, can be translated as purification, because it is through purification of our perception, the radiant truth of our cosmic self is revealed. Sorry. So stay connected with this powerful purifying energy as you reflect on the realization that ultimately your truth is what sets you free. So remember all the areas in your life where your truth comes out as beautiful self-expression, maybe through your words, written or spoken, or your art, or simply you being you, your unique and beautiful self. And with this realization, settle into your creative identity. Remember, you're always allowed to speak and hear the truth. No matter how many times you may have veered off this purification path and into bending your truth in some ways, because the truth may have felt a more dangerous choice at the moment. So claim this birthright that counteracts all the lies you may have produced and experienced. In the endocrine system, the throat chakra corresponds to thyroid. Thyroid produces important hormones that influence cellular communication in the body, regulating cellular metabolism, temperature, cell function, and growth. So visualize your thyroid now getting all the nourishment and support that it needs. Feeling your connection with the sound element associated with the throat chakra. Nourishing your thyroid, remembering your right to speak and be heard. Repeat the following affirmations after me, mentally or out loud. I hear and speak the truth. I express myself with clear intent. creativity easily flows in and through me. My voice is necessary. Now imagine your throat chakra as a beautiful flower of blue color. We're going to repeat the Bija mantra for the throat chakra. Hum, H-A-M, hum, 7 times. With each repetition, see this flower opening its petals more and more, dissolving all the lies you have been saying to yourself and others over the years, settling you into the creative truth of your being. Hum, 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 hum. Stay in the space of awareness you created through this practice. Enjoy it. And ask yourself, what is it that I need to express the most right now? As always, allow yourself to receive the answer in the form of words, images, sensations. What is it that I need to express the most right now? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to notice when you feel unheard or when you feel the need to lie to yourself or others because the truth seems to be a more dangerous choice for whatever reason. In those moments, remind yourself, I am here. I have the right to speak and be heard. All is well in my world. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day. And tomorrow I will see you from New York. I'm flying out in a little bit. Enjoy your day and see you soon. Bye.